In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted files from OneDrive. This is the 2026 Restore Update walkthrough, and I'll guide you through every click so you can get your files back without any confusion. Let's jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is open OneDrive in your browser. Head over to your browser, go to the OneDrive website, and sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. Once you sign in successfully, the page will load up your main OneDrive dashboard, which is where all of your stored files and folders live. Now, from this dashboard, we need to open the OneDrive Recycle bin. Look over to the left side of the screen, where you'll see the navigation pane. In that pane, locate the option labeled Recycle Bin and click on it. After clicking, give the page a moment to load. The deleted items list can take a few seconds to populate, especially if you have a lot of removed files, so just wait until everything shows up properly on your screen. Once the recycle bin opens, it's time to select the deleted file you want to bring back. Scan through the list and find the file you're looking for. In this demo, the file is called OneDrive Recovery Demo.txt, but in your case, it will be whatever file you previously deleted. Move your mouse over that file's row so it becomes highlighted. To the left of the file name, you'll notice a small circle checkbox. Go ahead and click that circle checkbox to mark the file as selected. You'll see it turn into a filled check mark, confirming your selection. With your file selected, you're ready to restore it. Look at the top of the page where the command bar is located. In that command bar, you'll see a button labeled Restore. Click Restore, and OneDrive will immediately start processing the recovery. Wait a moment until the file disappears from the recycle bin list. Once it's gone from this view, that means it has been successfully moved back to its original location in your OneDrive storage. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's confirm the file is actually back where it belongs. Return to the left navigation pane and click on My Files. This will take you to the main folder area where all your active OneDrive files are stored. Take a look through the main file list and search for the file you just restored. In this example, it's the OneDrive Recovery Demo.txt file, but yours will appear with its original name. Sometimes the file list does not update right away. If you don't see the restored file appear immediately, simply click the refresh button in your browser toolbar at the top of the window. This will reload the page and pull in the latest version of your file list, and your restored file should now be visible. If you also want to go back and restore other types of files that are still sitting in your OneDrive recycle bin, you can absolutely repeat the same process. Just click and go back into that recycle bin again using the left navigation pane. From there, you have the option to select all of the deleted items at once, or you can pick and choose specific files individually, depending on what you need. After making your selections, click Restore one more time in the top command bar. Once the restore action is done, all of those files will be back under your account, sitting in their original folders, ready for you to access whenever you need them. Whether you needed to recover a single document or several items at once, the workflow stays exactly the same throughout. So go ahead and try it now to restore everything you needed from your OneDrive recycle bin. Take your time, work through the steps one by one, and bring back any file that was accidentally removed. Congratulations!